Well, hello YouTube. Kind of an interesting Thursday evening. We were back from the Dominican Republic. We had a lovely time in Punta Cana. And I apologize if some of our videos have been primarily Dominican Republic content. Anyways, I'm at the airport right now. I'm at Orlando International Airport in the aftermath of an insane storm. Even though the weather service said it wasn't going to rain today. Because I am waiting for Amber's best friend, Miss Cydney, to land. And she is going to surprise Amber. It's kind of a belated birthday present. She's going to hang out all weekend. I think maybe later on tonight we're going to go to Disney Springs. But right now I'm waiting in the 7-Eleven parking lot at MCO with like a million other people. This place is packed. Waiting because every flight's been delayed. So she was supposed to land like 15 minutes ago, and now they're saying it's going to land in about 10 more minutes. So we'll see if that's accurate. I really don't have much else to say, but I'm excited to see Cydney. I'm excited to get back to making some Disney content and posting some Disney content. This will be the first of it. This is the first time I've rolled a camera in Orlando since we left for the DR, and that was a wonderful trip. I'm not pushing those videos out on our subscribers. If you go to our channel, you can see them, but I don't think they should be popping up in your feeds because they're not necessarily the kind of the content we always make. I don't know. I was listening to other YouTubers talk about this, whether or not you should push out content that use something out of your niche, and I don't know. So I took their advice. But if you want to see our DR content, it is definitely on our channel. Head over there. I put up so far a room review and a walk and talk tour of the hotel we stayed at, the Hyatt Zalara. So you can go and check that out. But until then, I'm going to wait with Molly, who's not happy with this thunder, and wait till Cydney gives me a call, and then we're going to go pick her up. So come along for tonight's adventure. Like I said, I think we're going to head to Disney Springs, maybe see how the drone show has been shaken out, and have a good time overall. Seriously, look at this girl. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, she's shaking. Molly, in her old age, I mean, most dogs hate thunder. Molly detests it. It's kind of why I brought her. I didn't want her staying in the apartment alone. They should be happier in the car. And we were good while we were driving because it drowned out the thunder, but she's not a happy camper now that she can hear thunder. You okay, Ma? She's a good girl. Oh, well. The world's a cruel place, isn't it? I'll take care of you. We're about to surprise Amber. She has no idea Cydney's here. Hello? Oh, Jesus Christ, really? Taylor's playing? We're home! Hey, baby. I'm filming for the vlog. That's a pretty good birthday.
You called me while I was at the airport, and I could not answer you because it was so fucking loud.
I'm gonna let you guys have this moment. Well, we're really blowing our transitions here, guys.
Oh, hola.
By the way, this is Cydney. Hey, Cydney.
Hi.
Who are you and why are you here? We've already established that. This is Amber's best friend.
Yeah.
We're at Disney Springs, so we're gonna go get some
Food?
Splitsville. Yeah.
Well, we're definitely going to go get some drinks.
Yes.
Yes, we're celebrating.
And then we're going to figure out.
It's basically your extended birthday week. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Let's go get some shots and some cocktails at Splitsville.
Oh, okay. How hard are we going?
That's how we roll. All right, so I don't think it'll be busy in there. We'll see you on the inside. Well, it doesn't seem that busy. Our guess is we're uncertain if they're going to do the drone show tonight. If they do, though, we'll see it from the bar. If they do the show, we'll see it from the bar.
Oh, yeah.
But this is looking good. Oh, look.
At 9:15, it's 8:30, so.
Oh, beautiful. All right, let's get up there. So, yeah, we did the kind of our backdoor parking spot. That worked out well.
Live garage.
Oh, maybe I should bring my shot.
live.
Oh, what?
We're live.
Is
Not
it?
live.
Oh.
I'm not broadcasting.
Wait.
Shots. You can do it, right?
Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
Okay.
To Cydney and to your birthday.
Yay!
I feel like I'm back in the DR.
Yeah.
You get a lot of that this weekend. All right, so let's do a drink check. Cydney got the, what is this called? It's the watermelon?
It's the
Spicy watermelon.
Spicy watermelon, but it's not. They toned it down. We spoke to our boy Zach over here. And well, there you go. I think that says it all. It's good, right? Tequila and obviously some water. I like the small wedge of watermelon they put on the edge of your drink. The Amber got the Big Wave Dave,
Yep.
which is...
It's a classic.
What did they put in
It's
that?
like vodka, grain alcohol, and
grain alcohol.
raspberry.
That sounds good.
Well, grain alcohol is Everclear, right?
And I got the Tiki Munch. But the real reason we're here, as always, is look at this bar. There's nobody here. We're about 15 minutes for the drone show. So we're going to see if that's going to happen tonight. It'll be right out there. It's good to be home. I got to say, we've been away from Disney Springs for a couple of weeks now, and it just feels really good to be back. I really like living in Orlando. This is nice. All right, the feast has arrived. I can vouch for the turkey club. It's pretty goddamn good. And then y'all got some sushi. What kind of sushi did you get?
That's a fantasy roll.
A fantasy roll?
Yep.
Talk about it. Let's talk about it.
It's got salmon, ahi, tuna,
Salmon, ahi, shrimp, and tuna.
shrimp,
Yes.
and cucumber and avocado.
Cucumber and avocado. So it's basically got like half the Pacific Ocean, I think, is what they just said.
And
And then a meat lovers.
meat lovers. We've had this before.
Yeah, we have. So sausage, pepperoni, ham. Pretty good.
All the good stuff.
Every time I hear a bowling ball hit, I think it's thunder.
Yeah.
And then I'm the only one who manned up and got a second cocktail.
I'll get one.
Yeah, so the second round's coming. Bon appetit. What are you two scoundrels doing? Cookie time? What are you gonna get?
I don't know. What are we gonna get?
I think cookies.
Good call.
I think it's the cookie bar.
Let's get a cookie. Or two.
Or 5.
2.
4 more kimonos.
Also, Rice Krispie treat.
Cydney, what did we get?
I don't know anymore.
I need you to help me out. What did we get? We got
We got sea salt chocolate chip,
sea salt chocolate chip. We got
cinnamon roll cookie,
a cinnamon roll,
and blueberry oatmeal.
blueberry oatmeal. That sounds pretty good.
This one sounds pretty good.
The sea salt chocolate chip.
Yeah.
They're honestly, they're all pretty delicious.
Like,
We've had the lemon cookies.
I was about to say now I'm just now seeing the lemon.
We can come back. It's a little strong on the lemon. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, okay.
We gotta come back because we'll get the Oreo.
Did you show the blueberry one?
No, yeah, but I'll show we'll do a taste test when we get home.
Okay.
How can that not be good though?
Hi.
How we doing, Amber?
Good.
So, night number 1 for Sid. This scallywag. She's had Disney Springs, Splitsville.
Few hours.
We got cookies.
We got cookies.
And now she's got prime location for the drone show. Who's this?
And she can barely contain her excitement.
Who's this woman think she is? She's pretty lucky. She must have clapped and kept a fairy alive.
My name is Doug. I just met you and I love you. a first step into a larger world. That's no moon. It's a space station.
Loved it. It was amazing.
What was your favorite part?
Let's talk about the drone show. Yeah, what's your favorite part, Cydney? Now, Cydney, like, just for context, Cydney has not been here in 8 years, roughly. And do you remember being at Disney Springs at all in that when you came?
No.
You certainly never saw the drone show.
It doesn't
No.
mean she hadn't been. She just doesn't remember.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
Maybe.
All right,
Maybe
so
not.
post show, what did you like the best?
Well, there's a part with Dumbo. There's a balloon.
So this thing happened.
There's a balloon, and then there's a cloud that goes in front of the balloon, but like the lights on the balloon go out as the cloud is going over it, showing that the cloud is going in front of it, and for some reason that was the most impressive.
So is that like intentional, or did the cloud just block it?
No, it was intentional. It was
intentional.
intentional.
Oh,
Like,
really?
the cloud.
It is a cloud of drones, not
Yeah.
an actual cloud.
Oh.
Yeah. No, it's a cloud going in front of the balloon.
I'm not sure I filmed that portion.
Oh.
You're just
It
gonna have to
was-
take our word to your
It
viewer.
was like early on in the show, and I was just
Yeah, I
like,
didn't film Dumbo.
Yeah.
It was.
You didn't? Okay.
I got like Star Wars in
It's
the
fine.
highlights.
It's in the full video that we made a while ago.
It is.
It
And
is.
I'll put a link in the description
You
to
can do
that.
Yeah.
But A plus, the show was good.
I thought it was even better with the lights off.
Yeah, so last time, by the way, for context, last time Aaron and I were here, we were at Summer House, and they did not turn these lights off. And that really impacted our quality of the show. So this time, plus the fact that we weren't really filming it religiously, I think helped a lot.
I think this is the best feeling that we've
Yeah.
had of it. Yeah.
There's only 30 more days left of this show. You caught it, by the way, Cydney, this is a limited time show. Very lucky.
I'm very lucky.
We're gonna have you write us a check for the ticket later on.
Oh, okay.
But
In the mail.
I think that's gonna do it. We're gonna head home. I think we're gonna head home, have a Summer House cookie.
Yes.
Maybe put on a Disney movie, play with Molly, and figure out plans what you guys are doing tomorrow.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Molly girl.
Where's Molly?
There she is.
There she is. We are home. Hello, little girl. The rain has stopped. She's in a much better mood. And a beautiful wife is going to show me this beautiful... Oh, look at that. That is lovely. Do you think that's work appropriate? Can I wear this to my team meeting on Wednesday?
This is HHN appropriate.
I think it's fine. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Thank you for getting that for me. That's awesome.
Yes, of course.
You got that at Target?
Walmart.
All right. Sid, how was your first night back on Orlando?
This is great.
Yeah? Too many shots for you? You having a good time?
Just the one.
We're all tired.
This is what 40 plus looks like.
Right. All right, here we go. And I think Sid's reaction to the cookie we bought at Summer House, the blueberry oatmeal, says it all. Pretty good? That's really good. Amber, do you concur?
I do. I concur.
I can.
Here, give it to
Oh,
me.
it's nice and soft.
Yeah, it is. Let's see what you think. Husband?
It's not as sweet as I thought it was going to be, but
Yeah.
it's not a bad thing to me.
It's good, but I'd like it sweeter too. I gotta be honest with you.
I thought it would be a little bit sweeter.
I think
Yeah,
an oatmeal
I do too.
raisin is a better cookie.
Well, you know what's weird is I'm getting cinnamon from it too.
They might have put some cinnamon
I
in.
bet there's cinnamon in it. That's probably why you're tasting it.
It's not the strongest Summer House cookie, I'm not gonna lie.
I mean, it's not the strongest, is it? But it's not bad. It's just it's
the
not
worst
what I
Summer House-
expected it to be.
It's like bad pizza. It's still pretty good, right?
Okay. Well, there you go, guys.
You'll always get an honest review here. Bought and paid for us, by us.
This was not sponsored by Summer House.
No, they wish they would have, though.
We would take it.
F your cookies. we love Summer House. We
Summer
kid.
House is the best.
We love it. It's good. It's good.
JK.
I think that's gonna call it. It's gonna wrap a night on Sydney's first visit. I feel like this wasn't very Disney. I feel like this is us oriented.
This is.
For our
but,
subscribers.
I mean, we did
so-
show you a couple of things that we've never shown you at Splitsville.
Yeah, I mean, again,
No,
this
not even just Splitsville and Summer House, because
Right.
there was a cookie we've never seen. So,
But at the end of the day, I mean, this really was this vlog is just it's for us to have fun, and if you're along for the ride and if you're having fun, then we're thrilled to have you along with us. But
yes.
it's nice to capture Cydney's first visit here. A super awesome surprise for Amber.
I'm thrilled that she's here.
Yeah. So I think we're gonna have a nightcap, go to bed, and these guys are gonna have a crazy adventure tomorrow. I'm sure we'll document some of that. But until then, have fun storming the castle.
And stay magical.